Mason City, it was sunny, with a temperature of 28. At Des Moines, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 43. At Sioux City, it was partly sunny, with a temperature of 27. Once again at noon, in the Twin Cities, it was 17 degrees and the wind chill was 6, under sunny skies. This is weather radio station KEC65 Minneapolis, St. Paul, on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz, serving listeners throughout much of east central Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. We broadcast from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Chanhassen, Minnesota, and transmit from the KSTP Eyewitness News Television Tower in St. Paul. The current time is 12:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. For this afternoon and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Accumulating snow, possibly mixed with freezing rain, is expected Thursday night and early
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service office in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
Now the forecast for the Twin Cities metropolitan area.